What if I told you that some SUVs can outlast 3 or even 4 cars in a row? While most vehicles start developing expensive problems after 150 to 200,000 miles, a few legendary SUVs have built a reputation for going well beyond 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. And the SUV at number 1 has become so famous for its durability that some owners have reported driving it for over 500,000 miles. So, if you're looking for an SUV that won't quit on you anytime soon, stay tuned because these are 5 SUVs that can last over 300,000 miles. Let's get started. Number 5, Honda Car-V. Starting off our list is the Honda Car-V. The Car-V has been one of America's best-selling compact SUVs for years, and for good reason. Honda designed this vehicle with simplicity and reliability in mind. Unlike many modern SUVs packed with complicated systems, the Car-V focuses on proven engineering that stands the test of time. Many owners have reported reaching 250 to 300,000 miles with little more than routine maintenance. One of the biggest reasons behind its longevity is Honda's dependable 4-cylinder engine. These engines are known for their durability and relatively low repair costs. The Car-V is also fuel efficient, making it affordable to own over the long term. However, it's not perfect. Older models can experience air conditioning issues and suspension wear as mileage climbs. But compared to the cost of major engine or transmission repairs, these problems are usually manageable. If you're looking for a practical and dependable SUV that can serve your family for years, the Honda Car-V remains one of the safest bets on the used market. But the next SUV on our list is even tougher. Number 4, Toyota Highlander. At number 4, we have the Toyota Highlander. Toyota has built a reputation for reliability, and the Highlander is one of the company's greatest success stories. This midsize SUV combines comfort, safety, and long-term durability into one package. The Highlander's V6 engines, especially older generations, have earned praise from mechanics across America. With regular oil changes and proper maintenance, many Highlanders have crossed the 300 mile mark. What makes this SUV special is its balance. It's large enough for families, comfortable enough for road trips, and durable enough to handle years of daily driving. One owner reportedly drove his Highlander well beyond 350,000 miles while using it as a daily commuter. The biggest downside? Some older models may develop minor oil leaks and water pump issues as they age. Still, these repairs are relatively small compared to the vehicle's overall lifespan. And if you think the Highlander is impressive, wait until you see what's coming next. Number 3, Chevrolet Suburban. At number 3 is the Chevrolet Suburban. This SUV has been an American icon for decades. Police departments, government agencies, large families, and businesses have trusted the Suburban for one simple reason: it just keeps going. The Suburban's body-on-frame construction makes it incredibly durable. Many models equipped with Chevrolet's proven V8 engines have reached 300,000 miles and beyond. Because these vehicles are often used for towing and heavy-duty work, they're built to handle significant stress. One remarkable example reportedly surpassed 400,000 miles while remaining in daily service. That's an achievement very few vehicles can match. Of course, owning a large SUV comes with trade-offs. Fuel economy isn't great, and maintenance costs can be higher than smaller SUVs. But if you need space, capability, and long-term durability, the Suburban deserves serious consideration. Now we're entering the top 2. And these next SUVs have become legends among reliability enthusiasts. Number 2, Toyota 4Runner. At number 2, we have the legendary Toyota 4Runner. Few SUVs have earned a reputation as strong as the 4Runner. Built on a truck-based platform, this SUV is designed to handle rough terrain, heavy use, and years of punishment. Owners regularly report mileage figures exceeding 300,000 miles. In fact, it's not uncommon to find well-maintained 4Runners still running strong after 2 decades on the road. One reason for its incredible longevity is Toyota's naturally aspirated V6 engine. Unlike some modern turbocharged engines, this powertrain prioritizes durability over extreme performance. The 4Runner is also known for its simple mechanical design. That simplicity often translates into fewer expensive failures over time. The downside? Ride quality can feel a bit outdated compared to newer crossovers, and fuel economy is far from impressive. But when it comes to reliability, few SUVs can compete. Yet there is one SUV that stands above them all. And if long-term durability is your only goal, this next vehicle might be the ultimate choice. Number 1 Toyota Land Cruiser taking the number 1 spot is the Toyota Land Cruiser. This SUV is legendary. Around the world, the Land Cruiser has earned a reputation for surviving conditions that would destroy most vehicles. From deserts and mountains to remote regions with rough roads, the Land Cruiser has proven itself time and time again. Many owners have exceeded 300,000 miles. Some have even reported surpassing 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. That's why humanitarian organizations, explorers, and professionals working in harsh environments often choose the Land Cruiser. Toyota engineered this SUV for durability first and luxury second. Its powerful engines, robust drivetrain, and heavy-duty construction make it one of the toughest vehicles ever built. Of course, there are trade-offs. Land Cruisers are expensive to buy, and fuel economy is not their strongest feature. But if your goal is owning an SUV that could potentially last for decades, few vehicles come close. This isn't just a reliable SUV, it's a reliability legend. So there you have it. 5 SUVs that have built a reputation for lasting well beyond 300,000 miles. From the practical Honda Key RV to the nearly indestructible Toyota Land Cruiser, each of these vehicles has proven that proper engineering and maintenance can create extraordinary longevity. Now it's your turn. Which SUV on this list would you trust for 300,000 miles? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.